Top 5 Best Quiet Mechanical Keyboards. 1. Cherry G80-3000. One of the most popular mechanical keyboards ever, the Cherry G80-3000 has been on the market since the early 1990s. It has been reworked multiple times, although the core remains largely the same. It is a no-frills mechanical keyboard that appeals to the general office worker. It has a classic look and feel to it, sans the flashy lights and macro keys characteristic of gamers' keyboards. It comes in a nice matte finish. The keys are comfy on the fingertips, smooth and easy to type on. Designed to endure, the letters are laser etched, too. Aside from the lack of media controls and flashy lights, you'll know that the Cherry G80-3000 is built for the typical office worker because it allows only 4 keys to be pressed at once. Still, it is perfect for people looking to improve their typing speed. It's a mechanical keyboard that is likely to endure the test of time with its manufacturer guaranteeing 50 million activations per key switch. Moreover, the fact that it has been in production for nearly 30 years proves that it is a high-quality model. It comes with a USB cable that is about 175 centimeters long. It measures 470 x 195 x 44 millimeters and weighs 935 grams. 2. Matias Quiet Pro Mechanical Keyboard. The Matias Quiet Pro is a mechanical keyboard designed for office workers looking for an impeccable typing experience. This full-sized keyboard is, according to Matias, the quietest mechanical keyboard today with its utilization of quiet click switches. It is compatible with Windows and Mac computers and gets high marks for its tactile feedback. The Windows model has an all-black design with a glossy finish, while the Mac version has a silver and black color scheme. The PC model also has a tab key. The most impressive part of the keyboard, however, are the keys. They are quiet by any standard. There is enough sound to assure that a key is being hit but not enough to distract your neighbor. The feel of the keys also gets rave reviews for being firm and leaving a crisp feeling. In short, the Matias Quiet Pro is a great pick if you have never used a quiet mechanical keyboard before. It provides good tactile feedback and key response. While it has quite a hefty price tag, it can be a good investment, especially if you are the type of office worker who needs a quiet keyboard. 3. Filco Majestouch 2 TKL Mechanical Keyboard. The Filco Majestouch 2 TKL is simply the 87-key version of the Majestouch sans the number pad. It is compact and customizable with the same tactile feel that the Majestouch series is known for. This is a good mechanical keyboard to use if you want to save space on your desk and still enjoy a good typing experience. The Filco Majestouch 2 TKL measures 14 x 5.3 x 1.3 inches. It is solidly built and stylish. Its rigid case construction is designed to give users a comfortable typing experience. The keys have a specially designed font for enhanced visibility and an appearance that should last for a long time. You will be impressed with the overall aesthetics of this mechanical keyboard. It has a clean and simple look. It is not prone to fingerprints, either. As for performance, the Filco Majestouch 2 TKL gets good reviews. With Cherry MX switches, the keypads are a pleasure to type on. Your fingers will likely glide through the keys. This is the type of keyboard that you will love if you have never used a mechanical type of keyboard before. 4. Logitech G513 Mechanical Keyboard. Logitech is one of the more trusted computer brands in the world, so the G513's entry into this list is not surprising. It has a sleek and low-profile chassis designed to satisfy the needs of hardcore gamers. Measuring 17.5 x 5.3 x 1.4 inches, the G513 is a compact gaming keyboard with elevated keys. This design gives it a kind of minimalistic and futuristic look and feel. While Logitech kept things simple, the lack of discrete media keys is one major drawback of the simplistic design of this keyboard. One of the best features of this keyboard, though, is its plush wrist rest running its entire length. The 3.2-inch wrist rest is intended to make typing even less tiring with this keyboard. It feels comfortable to use, and you can put your fingers in the best position to tap keys quickly and accurately. The keyboard makes use of Logitech's Roamer G switches, which are known for being quiet, responsive, and tactile, similar to the Cherry MX Browns. Running on the Logitech gaming software, it allows users to perform certain actions like adjusting RGB illumination, reprogramming function buttons, and creating profiles to link with games and programs. 5. Corsair Strafe RGB MK.2 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Corsair Strafe RGB MK.2 has the features and functions you will want from a gaming keyboard. It features Cherry MX RGB key switches, full key rollover anti-ghosting, and onboard profile storage for gaming profiles. There are multiple dedicated multimedia and volume controls that let you adjust audio, while a detachable palm rest provides optimal comfort. The Corsair Strafe RGB is a full-sized keyboard with dedicated media buttons, a Windows key lock, volume scroll bar, and a button for adjusting backlight brightness. There is also a specialized button for going through various backlighting profiles stored in the board's memory. The keycaps are covered with soft touch material, making them feel nice on the fingertips. Corsair also included gray-topped and textured keycaps. The major drawback, however, is that the keycaps can easily pick up grease. Like the Logitech keyboard, the Strafe RGB MK has a textured wrist rest that is comfortable enough for most users. In terms of performance, the Corsair Strafe RGB gets high marks. Using full RGB Cherry MX switches, the keyboard is noticeably quiet. Overall, the Corsair Strafe RGB is one of the best quiet mechanical keyboards today. Click links in this video description for price and more details. Thanks for watching.